Good afternoon. I'm Michal Biran from the Hebrew University of Jerusalem and from the Israel Academy of Science, and I'm very happy to open this special lecture in the framework of the Silk Road Forum of the Academy. Our lecture today is here, but before we introduce and invite her, I would like to invite Professor Margalit Finkelberg, the Vice President of the Academy, to give her greetings. So please.
Good afternoon from me too. It is my great pleasure to welcome here today Professor Elena Paskaleva of Leiden University, a guest lecturer at the Silk Roads Forum. The forum, led by Professor Michal Biran and Professor Gülru Necipoğlu, members of the Israel Academy of Sciences and Humanities, explores cross-cultural interactions that spread from East Asia to Western Europe since the Bronze Age to the early modern period. It is a platform for ongoing discussion of the ways in which people, technologies, artifacts, goods, ideas, and knowledge circulated between cultures and places. Professor Paskaleva's current research fits to perfection the forum's agenda. It focuses on the material culture of Central Asia, the key point of the transcultural context associated with the Silk Roads. Not for nothing does the city of Samarkand appear on the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites under the title Samarkand, Crossroads of Cultures. This is one of the Silk Road's most vital sections, where many of the routes from the east converged before reaching the Mediterranean. The Timurids, who ruled over most of Central Asia in the late 14th and early 15th centuries, left an impressive body of religious architecture whose influence extended far beyond Central Asia proper. Professor Paskaleva's research focuses on the material culture of Central Asia and in particular on the history and socio-political importance of Timurid architecture. She is the author of Silk Road Cities documented through vintage photographs, we see some of them here, prints and postcards, Leiden 2019, and co-author and editor of the volume Memory and Commemoration Across Central Asia, Texts, Traditions and Practices, 10th to 21st Centuries, Leiden 2023. She is a member of the scientific panel of the UNESCO Silk Road Youth Research Grant and co-editor of the trilogy Architecture, Monuments and Urbanism, published within UNESCO's multi-volume series, thematic collection of the cultural exchanges along the Silk Roads. I had the pleasure to get acquainted with part one of this trilogy, titled Architectural Influences Along the Silk Roads, which was published in 2025. This is a magnificent volume, which focuses on urban and cultural landscapes along the Silk Roads, examining their topography, spatial organization, and iconic structures, analyzes specific building categories such as caravanserais and bazaars, a chapter contributed by Professor Paskaleva herself, as well as civic and religious buildings, highlighting their typologies and the cultural and technological exchanges they exhibit. Draws attention to the exchanges of technologies and materials, exploring the movement of craftsmen and design transfers. This is a fascinating book, which I highly recommend. Today, Professor Paskaleva will speak on transforming urban patterns and pilgrimage routes in post-Mongol Central Asia. But before I give the floor to our speaker and to our chairperson, let me thank Ms. Sima Daniel and Ms. Ziva Dekel of the Humanities Division, to whom the participants in the Silk Roads Forum are heavily indebted. Sima and Ziva, as well as the entire team of the Israel Academy of Sciences and Humanities, have given generously of their time to make the forum a success and have made every effort to ensure that its activities run smoothly and are enjoyable to all. Thank you very much.